crypto investing, and you can see here what we got going on. I want to give you a couple of on a down day in the gold market. You can see U.S. government bonds, like we've been talking about, and this is going to come out. We're going to go over this in our fiscal and monetary policy and our Commodity Monday video that's going to be coming out later on today or this evening for members only. But I want to give you a little insight here. You can see our targets are being hit as we had a 2.73 target as our next target way down there. We thought that would reverse, and it has, showing you we're on the same track. But give you some of these short-term targets, right? And that members video is going to be coming out later, right? So if you look at what we got going on, say on AEM, we had a nice pump and we hit up a resistance, this little dotted line, right? Now we're coming back down on a retest. This is a good this is a good gold and silver mine company to buy the retest. So it looks like we got a little more downside to come, but your entry price, if we come down to this 200-day in AEM, this is a great entry price at $54.68, right? It's a great company. It pays a dividend. Pan America Silver, another great company. It pays a dividend, and a great entry price for somebody that's not in this is down at the 200-day at $24 is a great entry price if it gets down there, right? That'd be a great entry price to buy in to Pan America Silver. And if you look at what Pan America Silver can do for you, is Pan America Silver can give you a 1.76% yearly dividend, and AEM is a 2.61 annual dividend, right? Great company. B2 Gold, it had a nice pump, but another great entry price is down here on the 200-day, right? Down here on the 200-day at $4.12. Another great entry price, right? So there's some good entry prices. We're going to have a members only video going into the technicals on those three and why you should own them, what the dividends are, when they pay them, why they pay them, and what the future outlook is on those. And that'll be a members only video along with the Commodity Monday video. That's members only coming out later on today. And you can see if we look at the Bitcoin, it's trying to bounce on this $38,000, $666 uptrending support. And if it fails to hold that, you're going to have a big problem. But if you notice what's going on here, and another reason you need to become members of Jabroni Killers, if you look at Bitcoin, we've been falling, right? If you look at what's going on in the stock market, it was falling this morning, and then it pumped up, and now it's falling again. But if you wonder why it might be falling, it's because you got government bonds skyrocketing, interest rates are going up, mortgage rates are going up. China just locked down 15 million people in their country, and their stock market's in a massive bear market, right? If you look at the Haishang index, right, over here, because I have it right here, you can see it's down to 19,000. If you look at the 5 year, when COVID hit, it dumped and then it had a nice 20, 34% rally. But now look at that. You're down $11,111 or 36.31%, 36.26% and crashing. It just lost $1,000 or 1,000 yen in one day, 1,000 points in one day. You have major sell pressure with high inflation uh, and massive money printing and liquidations and sovereign debt crisis going on across the world as we are in a no-win situation in the world's economy, and it's all correlated. And you can see the markets are all pumping and dumping together. But as soon as Bitcoin breaks this 38,664, you have a big fall coming. I've been trying to warn you on it. And just a short-term fall, as soon as you break that, within a few days to a week from this key uptrending support, you got a 15.69% or $6,069 fall in Bitcoin. XRP, your critical support is 74 cents. There's only so many times we can go over the same thing and warn you about, because if you break this uptrending support in XRP, you have a massive fall of 33.33%. XLM, there's another one. If you zoom out, you can see if you break your uh, uptrending support line that you've been on, you have a 33.33% crash, right? So if you break any of these key support lines, right, you have a big fall. Like, subscribe, and share. Members only videos coming out later. We will go in depth on Pan America Silver, AEM Gold and Silver Mining Company, right? And a couple other ones, B2 Gold, why you should own them, what they can do for you, and how they can make you money over the medium to long range by just buying, holding at a good price, and staying up to date on their current stock news analysis and future outlook, potential earnings and future earnings and current earnings, right? Peace and love. Peace and love.